We all have our own demons, our own inner demons. You have your own demons. Your pastor has his own demons. Even Jesus Christ had his own demons. He was scared of death. That is why on the cross he said, Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani, my Father, why you forsake me? He had his own demons. We all want to free ourselves from our past, to live in our present, to create our future. But there is that 1, 2, 3 inner demon that is hindering us. And that demon is created or was created by a situation that led to us believing that we need to hide a little bit of part of ourselves. That is why I always say it is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Because we can't. Arrogancy. We avoid to fight and defeat our inner demons. I have a weakness. I'm scared of water. I can't swim. That is my demon. I need to deal with it. I need to face it head on. That is my demon. You also have your own demon. As a country, as Africa, we have our own demon that we shy away, we ignore, we don't want to face it head on. Let's fight, discover your own demon, your inner demon, and fight it.